Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Taurus, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse, and King of Wands in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, Taurus, maybe in your work, maybe in your relationship, you are in a good position. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, and you have ideals and beliefs for yourself, and you try to follow that, and you are someone who is really stubborn to follow these rules you have. So, with the people around you, maybe with the people who work with you, you're quite stubborn and you are not someone flexible to give up on your ideals or beliefs. And that may be the reason people may see you as someone very rigid, someone stubborn, someone who does things their own way, not flexible. So, maybe it's really difficult to tolerate your ways and the way you think you should go. So your suggestions and ideas are something good, but people with you, they may feel that you're a very stubborn person, a very rigid person who does not go easy on anything, who does things in a particular way, and it is really difficult for others to follow today, Taurus. That may be the reason they may feel that they cannot, be like that, be very severe, be very rigid like you. And they have some emotions towards you, maybe fear or jealousy, envy towards you. So it may be in your relationship. Maybe this person you love, they, because of the way you are, they may feel some kind of inhibition because you are someone who follows the rules strictly, so someone who is always right. So this person admires you, but in front of you they feel a little inhibition, so a lot of fears to be like you. Maybe they are trying to be like you, to match up to your way of living or match up to your way of doing things. So this person finds it really difficult to adjust with you. That may be the problem here, Taurus. And today, Taurus, maybe for some of you, your past person, or if you are open to a new relationship, you are finding someone really interesting, someone is coming to meet you. This person is someone who was very interesting, and you would have known them before, you would have liked them, but you were not in a connection with them. But this person is coming to meet you, to tell you something today. Or for some of you, if you are in a separation from someone, and if you are still single, this person, this past person, is coming to meet you, and they have something important to tell you. Maybe they just want to be friendly with you, or they want to get back in this relationship. So, something interesting is happening today, Taurus, in your life. So, that is what I see. So, we have one more card for your relationship. We have Five of Swords in reverse. So, there are some difficulties you are facing in this connection, some obstacles, just like we said, maybe some fear or jealousy, envy. So, whatever it is, you need to, what to say, put in efforts. Maybe you are putting in a lot of efforts today, trying to make things go right in your circumstances today, Taurus. So, for your career, let's see what is the card. It's Chariot in reverse. So, in your work circumstances, maybe you are facing a difficult situation, some kind of a litigation or a lawsuit you may be involved in, and maybe for some of you, it is something really difficult to handle today in your life, Taurus. It is a difficult situation in your work. So, that is the energy here, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. Fork in the road. So maybe today you are making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So, will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person? Maybe walking away. So, what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So, it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So, there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So, if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person, and this decision is based on truth, and you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone, or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So, today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So, there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So, regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So, what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be the, what to say, that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today, this card is about facing the circumstance. So, whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family. Maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.